Quick comparison, what changes if you switch to native? With Colima and Docker, editing configuration is painful due to volume issues. While with native OpenClaw, it's an easy, direct file edit. For debug logs, you'd use Docker logs and Docker exec. But natively, you can access OpenClaw logs and the direct file. Restarting the gateway is Docker compose restart. This is a simple OpenClaw restart or kill process. Using a local Ollama needs special networking like host. Docker, internal with Docker, but with native, it just works. Resource usage is higher with a VM overhead in Docker, and lower as a direct process natively. The recommendation right now, since you're already frustrated with config corruption, restart loops, and volume weirdness, switching to native is the sanest move. On the other hand, switching to native makes sense for your current frustration points. The key differences you re-experiencing aren't just theoretical. They read the exact pain points that make native appealing. Config editing, the volume issues with Colima are notoriously finicky on macOS. Native editing means you can just vim the file and be done. No more "why isn't my change showing up" moments. Debugging, having to Docker exec into containers to see logs, adds mental friction. Native gives you direct access to logs, which is huge when you're actively developing troubleshooting. Ollama Integration, the host, Docker, internal dance is a constant annoyance. Native just works with localhosts, removing one more variable when things break. Resource overhead, Colima runs a Linux VM, then containers inside it. That's layers of abstraction that can mask or create issues. The one thing to consider, Docker ensures consistent environment across machines. But since you're the primary developer and already dealing with environment-specific issues, native gives you better control to fix the immediate problems. Verdict: switch to native while you're debugging these config issues. You can always go back to containerized once things are stable and you want that consistency guarantee. Why volume mount keeps failed silently happening with Colima permission issues. Colima's VM user IDs don't match your Mac path. Resolution $POUDD might resolve differently inside the VM mount propagation. Some mounts just disappear after restarts. The native argument just got stronger. With native, you know exactly where files live, tilde. FreeTheClaw, Daddy is right there, no mount mysteries, files are files. Not volumes through VM layers, can lscat edit immediately. No container hopping. This missing data issue is the kind of friction that kills flow state. Native removes an entire category of "why isn't this working?" questions. Switch now, get your data back, get unblocked. You can always containerize later when things are stable and you want deployment consistency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips.